Hello, in this video we will go through all the features of calendar bookings. So let's go to calendars. Here you can see the list of all events and add a new event from here. You can enter event details, booking details, host and Zoom details and custom fields from here. Next, your customers can book new appointment directly from this link. So you can simply copy this link and share with your users if you want. They can select from available dates and slots and enter all the booking details here. Now once the booking is created, when I click on the view icon of a particular event, all the bookings will be visible here. I can update the status to cancel, reschedule, approve or delete from here itself. When we click on this edit icon, we can edit the event details. From schedule, we can set event schedule. Now from the left hand side I have opened calendars. So this is my booking calendars. I can see all the pending, approved, rejected and cancelled bookings from here. I can update their status from here and I can also reschedule the booking from here itself. So I'll simply select the date and time and enter. Next is schedule. So this is the schedules list of all the events. You can edit them from here as well. You can also add overrides if you want. So for example, if I'm not available all day on 31, I can simply add override from here and click on save schedule. Next is apps. So we can connect Zoom, email and WhatsApp services apps directly from here. The Zoom account connected here will be the one from which the meeting links will be sent to the users whenever they are booking an appointment. And from email and WhatsApp alerts for reminders, new bookings and status update can be sent. Bulk messages can also be sent to all the contacts. And from settings we can see the admin calendar here. We can add team members from here. You can check your wallet history and country wise credits here. So we can use this calendars in our mini apps and bot as well. So first let's see how can we create a appointment booking WhatsApp native flow. So this is an appointment booking flow. We are starting with a welcome screen. Then on each screen, event, date and slots are fetched every time this flow is run. So these are dynamic drop downs that are used here. Then we are sending a summary page and then taking details from the users. Now once the user enter details and click on book, a new booking is created in our calendars app. So let's run this flow. So this is the introduction page. Start booking. Choose an event, 1 or 2. Next. Pick a booking date. Next. Pick a slot. Next. So this is a summary page for booking confirmation. Next we have to provide details. And book. So a booking will be created in my calendars app. Now let's see a appointment booking chatbot. So let's go to bot builder. Again we are asking user to select from a list of events. Depending on the event selected, we are fetching available dates from native calendars and sending a dynamic list question block. Same for slots. And then we are asking general details from users and using create new booking block from calendar. Let's run this. So when trigger keyword is entered, I'm getting options to select from events. Now the bot will fetch available dates from calendars app and show me here in this dynamic list. Once selected, available slots will be fetched, and again a dynamic list question block will be shared with the user. So let's select a slot here. You can add more questions here if you want. So I'm just taking email from the user. And if they would like to leave a note or not. So no, a booking is created.